Hello everyone, welcome back to Yogalibrium. My name is Heather and today I have a gentle yin yoga class for you. We're going to start sitting hips on top of heels and just take a moment to arrive fully in your body and in this space. And our first pose today is child's pose. So as you feel ready, you can go ahead and send your knees wide and reach the arms in front of you, allowing your forehead to rest gently on the mat or on a block. And as we breathe here, I want you to feel that you're expanding the entire back space of your body, allowing that breath to fill lungs, belly, feeling that your breath is traveling throughout your entire body. So in yin yoga, we're looking for three things. First, we're looking to find the edge of our flexibility. Second, we're looking to find stillness, relaxing as much as possible. And third, we simply surrender to time. Beautiful. From here, we're going to roll forward through tabletop, and then you can go ahead and release all the way down to your belly. We're going to come now into Sphinx pose. So take your elbows underneath your shoulders. Palms are pressing down, feeling like you're bringing your heart through your arms. And this is really an amazing pose to counter all of the forward folding that we do as we're at work, driving in our cars, and going about the day. Just a few minutes of this posture each day can be so beneficial. You can feel free to stay in your Sphinx pose, or you could lift up into seal and see if that feels good for you. So to take seal, you're simply pressing into the palms, allow the fingertips to turn a little bit towards the outside of the mat, and then see if you can straighten your arms. If at any point this doesn't feel right anymore, you simply lower back down into Sphinx. And take one more breath here if you're in seal. Nice and gently exhale, lower back down to your Sphinx pose and then all the way down to your belly. Resting the forehead on the floor. And go ahead and press your hands down. And we're going to crawl the knees forward along the mat. Sit across the heels and come to a seated position for diamond pose. So you're going to bring your soles of your feet together, allowing the knees to open out to the side. So unlike butterfly, the heels are a little bit more distant from the pubic bone. So experiment and see what feels right for you, and then in your time, as you're ready, start to bring yourself forward. Surrendering to stillness, surrendering to time. Last deep inhale here. Beautiful. And then slowly coming all the way back up. Really nice. Gently extend your legs out in front of you now. And let's come into caterpillar. Float the arms above your head. And as you exhale, starting to fold forward. See what's available. And then slowly, as we hold here, you'll find you can evolve this pose, creating more and more space behind your legs. And you can feel free to round your spine here as much as you like. And allow your head to hang heavy if that feels right for you. And this is really one of the most important yoga poses. That's why we see it so often during classes, because you're stretching the entire back side of your body. Nice and slow, let's begin to roll up out of caterpillar and shrug the shoulders back behind you. We're gonna lie down on our backs. I have one more pose for you, and that's happy baby. So go ahead and catch your feet. Allow your sacrum to sink heavy into the mat. And gently guiding your knees a little bit closer towards the floor. And last breath in your happy baby pose. Nice work. Go ahead and relax. Bring the knees together and in towards your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs, giving yourself a hug here. And as you feel ready, extend your legs long. Rest the arms down, palms facing up towards the sky. And gently releasing your breath. And allowing yourself this time in Shavasana, this time that you so deserve, to completely relax and let go. And deepening your breath. Let's begin to add a little bit of movement back into our body. Wiggling fingers and toes, rolling wrists and ankles. And as you feel ready, you can draw your legs together, float your arms above your head for one last long stretch. Before you roll off to one side and pause there for a moment. And in your time, let's come back up towards a comfortable seated position to finish our class. As you arrive in your seat, find your sit bones grounding down and the crown of your head lengthening. Bring your palms together in front of your heart and bow your chin to your chest. And that's our practice for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this yin yoga class. And if you did, please leave a like, a comment, and go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this one. Namaste.